Travertine cleaning Balderton Newark. This travertine cleaning project was in the village of Balderton near Newark. Our client called for our travertine restoration services as the floor had scratches, dirty grout and lots of dirt-filled holes. The floor was over 10 years old and the original surface finish had worn away, leaving a dull porous finish. Dirty holes are a common problem with honed and filled travertine. Travertine has a honeycomb structure, much like cinder toffee. The honeycomb structure means that in some places the holes are very near the surface and the covering can be as thin as an eggshell. As the tiles wear, these thin areas collapse to reveal the underlying hole. The holes fill with soil and eventually there are dirty holes all over the floor. Dirty grout is a common problem with tile and stone floors. Grout gets dirty because sand-based grout has a rough surface like sandpaper. Mopping with a cotton mop adds to the problem because the mop moves the dirty slurry into the grout. We started by cleaning larger holes with diamond burrs. As we worked, we also cleaned out any damaged filler. We filled these holes with hard travertine filler. The travertine filler is a two-pack process with the filler and a chemical hardener. Once the filler had solidified, we ground the filler smooth with the surface of the stone. Small holes are too small and too numerous to fill with a hard filler. We cleaned out the soil by scrubbing the floor with strong cleaners. Pressurized hot rinse equipment to lift the emulsified soil away from the floor. The cleaning also removed any loose filler that was likely to fall away in the coming months. We filled the remaining holes and any areas of lost grout with a fine jasmine coloured grout. Once the grout dried, we removed any grout haze off the tiles, ready for sealing. We sealed the floor with an acrylic mid-sheen sealer. The sealer sits on top of the stone, acting as a wear layer, protecting the surface of the tiles from damage. The sealer also makes the grout lines and grout filler much easier to clean. Maintenance cleaning travertine tiles. We recommend dry sweeping your travertine floor tiles once or twice a day, using a dry microfiber flat mop. Then daily damp mopping with a specialist travertine cleaner that contains a small amount of sealer, helping maintain the finish. If you need your travertine looking clean and beautiful again, please contact Abbey Floor Care for a free no-obligation quotation for travertine restoration. Thank you. Is your travertine floor dull, grimy and impossible to clean? Are you worried about finding the right company that you can trust to make your floors beautiful again? No problem. Contact Abbey Floor Care. We have the experience, equipment and passion to restore any stone floor. The wonderful thing about a stone floor is that it doesn't have to be taken up and replaced. Its original beauty and lustre can be restored through professional restoration. By hiring Abbey, you can have your stone floors restored to a beautiful, easy to clean masterpiece in stone. Contact Abbey Floor Care now for a free, no-obligation quotation.